Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. That sounded weird. Um, welcome back to Brandee Boo's channel. Um, so I did a thing, chopped it like all off. Um, I just want to start over. So it was falling out, it was getting thin, and it looks like I have more body a little bit, and my curls are pretty nice with it cut. And plus, I can put my wigs on like lickety split, like so simple. So that's a good thing. So I just wanted to address the elephant in the room, which is my hair. And then I wanted to go over the things that I got in my Boxycharm box and my Ipsy. I just kind of wanted to show you guys everything that I got, and then maybe do my makeup with it just to see how it's. I've been using a few of the products, so I'm trying to let you know like ahead, like I wanted to give you a really honest review of everything. So all right, well, that is all. I'll be right back with all my goodies. All right, since I'm back. Since I'm in my bedroom, I'm gonna probably make it work. So, because there's certain things I don't have. I don't have my blender. I don't have I don't have any concealer. No, none of that. So, I'm just gonna make it work and just maybe put some of this on. Oh, and a side note, I'm horrible at putting on makeup with my false lashes on. I usually have to put on my makeup first, my eyeshadow first, and then I do my lashes. But I've been using these. Oh no, the ring light, maybe that's better. I've been using these, and these stay on a couple days, even with me. I just don't, literally, I don't wash my eyes. I wash like around them, and they've been staying on for a couple days. So that's good. I don't have to like do them every morning like I was with the other ones, but I still love the other ones. Okay, enough chitter chatter. So I wanted to show you, I got this. It is Charlotte Tilbury. So hard for me to get it's so hard. Tristan's talking in the background. It's so hard to get a good color like off like websites and stuff. So so far so good. It's very light. It's not like total coverage. It says beautiful skin foundation for your best healthy looking skin day every day. So, and it's in 4 neutral. So it's supposed to be really good. And so let me put that on real quick. I'll be back. Okay, so I put it on. I used my hands and then I used this brush, and I didn't do my eyes, as you can see. So it looks very natural. That's the one thing about this. It does look very natural, but you can definitely tell from when like I put that on to like my eyes. Like, oh, you can definitely tell. So, I don't mind it. I like it. I don't like the big heavier ones anyways. So that's kind of, it works for me. And then I was gonna put a little bit of this on. These are okay. Some of the colors are okay. I'm just not a big, I don't know. There's not a lot of, like these like mattes. It's mostly like the shimmers, and I'm not big on the real colorful or dark shimmers. I like my shimmers like light, but that's a me thing, so that's personally me. So but let me do that. And then there's bronzer and blush, so let's see how that does. Okay guys, don't judge me. Like, I did this in my room, and I never do it in my room. like makeup wise. Like I'll do my eyelashes and my hair obviously, but my makeup, I do my makeup downstairs in the downstairs bathroom. Like that's what I do. But here it is. I put all of it on. I did very light. Anyways, it's light anyways. So there's that. And I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about a couple of things that I got in the Boxycharm in the box, because I get stuff in the box and I get it in the bag. So I'm just gonna finish these up. I've used this twice, and they go underneath your eyes. They are let's see, hydrogel eye therapy. Yeah, they're supposed to hydrate and brighten. I like them. So far, I like them. I like putting them on, but they're really soft. They're cool, and I like it. And then I got these. As soon as you open this bag, that's why I'm not going to open it, but as soon as you open this bag, this starts heating up. And it's self-warming, calming eye mask with soothing chamomile scent. Oh, do I love these. I mean, when I open this up and then I put it over my face at night, oh, it's warm. Especially, like, I had a headache the other day, and this made the headache go away. I just eventually just fell asleep. So I love that. I was like, I did good, because I noticed my Boxycharms are like the stuff that I'm like saying I might want or I want to check out, totally different from years ago. Like years ago, I would want more makeup-y kind of stuff, and now I want more stuff like this and skincare and hair stuff. So there's that, and this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. It smells really good, and I've only been using it for maybe like a week, so I don't know how it's doing. But this is what. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I've been using this, and I have like another moisturizer just to keep it moisturized, and then I've been doing. I'm not gonna do it on this because I have makeup on, but there's a name for this, and I don't know it. I will Google it and put it up, and then you'll know, because I forgot right now. But it's supposed to like help firm out, and then I do like that to try to get rid of the wrinkles in my neck, wrinkles in my forehead or my eyes. I do this every single night. So in my head it's working. So let's just go with it and just say that it's working. It's making me look young and youthful. Let's do it. And then they got me perfume. A little perfume thing. It's called K-Alley. K-Alley? K-Alley. And it has, I thought it was on the side. Anyways, it smells delightful. Oh, there it is. Has black cherry, tobacco leaf, chocolate, hazelnut, amber, resin, vanilla, honey. It's very sweet and musky at the same time. Like, I feel like sophisticated when I wear this. Like, yeah, I feel very sophisticated. Like I'm a grown-ass woman, which I am, but the smell makes me feel even more grown-assy. And okay, now we're almost finished. I've been doing this without my glasses this whole time. I'm blind. Let there be sight. Here we go. Okay, we're almost finished. I'm just gonna show you the cute little bag that I got. Let me show you. And it has little peach, and it's a little bag. I might use some of the bags like this when I go to Florida, because you have to have like 3.5 ounce stuff. So it's like I can't, and I know why, I get it, but so luckily I got this stuff, so I don't have to worry about buying anything. I'll just use this stuff because they're small enough. Like, total win-win, I think. There is Billion Dollar Brow Lift, which I haven't opened it yet. And then there's Collagen Boost Serum. This is one of the ones that I picked up because It's Skin Honey. I'm trying to stay looking young as long as I can. What is it? Glow Priming Moisturizer. And hair stuff. Leave-in conditioner, which I'm going to take with me because it is 1.7 fluid ounces. So I'm going to take this with me so I can do this with my hair when I'm not wearing my wig. I'm just doing my regular hair. And then it has, what is, I didn't even open this. Oh, it's highlighter. Let's see. Move. Let's see. Okay, highlighter. Let's highlight. All right, now we're gonna highlight a little bit my nose. Maybe I did too much of my nose. All right, well, that's everything out of these. I just thought I would do the whole opening and the whole shebang and everything, and I just waited till I got the Ipsy bag. So, and then we just do it all at once. But yeah, so with all my, I just cut it. I know I'm switching, but I just cut my hair. I like it. It's making me feel fuller, and I'm putting growth serum, which who knows if that works, but I'm putting growth serum in it and treating it healthy. I'm not dyeing it, let the gray, and I'm just trying to keep my hair healthy and just see what happens. And I kind of like it short. I've never had it this short before, but I feel better. Short, with it being short and poofy, and then when it was long, it was just so stringy, and then I had a lot of issues with that. And then plus, with my hair being short, I can switch it up anytime I want and pop the freaking a wig on, and then there we have it. I got long ass hair in like 15 minutes, so it's totally a win-win. But all right, you guys, now I am all finished with showing you all my goodies, and you have a wonderful rest of your evening, day, night, whatever it is, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.